Merry Christmas, guys! So, today is a Christmas day. Eh, si Kuya Christian ay tulog pa. Inaantay namin siyang gumising para i-open yung mga regalo. So, ganito lang yung Christmas namin dito sa UK, guys. Talagang simple lang, right, Ayla? Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Yabag man si Mami, Ayla. Huwag na ako kumanta, okay? Kasi hindi maganda boses ng Mami. So, Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat, guys. At sana magandang pasok ng ating bagong taon. Yeah, so that's it. Welcome na. Malapit na tayo sa 2020. Ayan pala may ilaw. So, malapit na tayo sa 2026. What is 2026 for us, Ayla? You think? You think, Ayla? Yayaman na ba tayo, Ayla? Kaya di tayo yayaman, basta good health at walang sakit, right, Ayla? No? Walang sakit, no? So, antayin natin si Kuya Christian, guys. Tapos, bukas tayo ng ating mga regalo. Kasi yung mga regalo dito para lang kay Christian galing sa ninang niya, sa auntie niya, sa mga friend namin, mga regalo sa mga bata. At saka sa akin, meron akong isa dyan na regalo sa kanya. Yun lang. I think kailangan kong gisingin si Kuya Christian, guys, sa taas. Safe naman si Ayla, nasa upuan naman si Ayla. So, sali kayo, guys. Sunduin natin si Kuya Christian sa taas, sa kanyang room. Kuya Christian. Merry Christmas, Kuya Christian. Opening of the presents na. Yung bed niya, guys, kasi alam niyo kung saan siya natulog. Doon sa extension namin ni Ayla. Tingnan niyo. Yan siya sa baba natulog. Sa extension bed namin ni Ayla. Ito kasi kami natulog ni King, guys, ni Ayla. Sa room ni Christian. So, yeah, Christians. Opening the presents na downstairs. Ayla is waiting. Kuya Christian. Ayla is waiting for you. Gumawa na ako ng kape ko, guys, at hot chocolate ni Kuya Christian. Tapos, ayan si Ayla. Ayla! Are you alright, Ayla? I can hear Kuya Christian's going down. I think he's going down now. Ayla! Merry Christmas, baby Ayla! Merry Christmas, online titas and titos! Ayla! Yun yung bulingkit natin, guys. Oh. Yun yung aling maliit natin. Aling maliit! Aling maliit! Ayla! Gusto mo nang kunin yung regalo mo? Gusto mo nang buksan? Sino man nagbigay ng regalo niya? Si Ninang Lynn at saka si She. Yun nabigay. At saka galing kay daddy niya, meron siyang regalo. So, where's Kuya Christian na? Diyos ko, Lord. Ang tagal-tagal ni Kuya Christian, guys. Ang tagal-tagal bumaba ni Kuya Christian. Na ano na si Ayla, nabuboryo na. Kuya Christians, where are you? Merry Christmas, guys! Oh, may ubo. Ayan, guys, sa pagsabi ko na bababa na mag-open ng presents, bumaba siya, tumakbo. Say, Merry Christmas! Christmas! Merry Christmas, guys, sabi. Excited na yan siya. Sabi ko, mag-inom muna siya ng hot chocolate niya para at least...
Mom, I want to open my present.
Okay. I'm gonna open the present. Okay, start from the small one, okay? There, sit with Ayla, there. You sit down there. There you go. Right. Start with the tiny one.
The one, Mommy?
Okay. Is that yours? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think that's Ayla.
No, I said Christian.
Say Christian, baby king. Okay, yeah, it's yours. Sorry.
Okay.
Wow, that's from Auntie Lynn. You okay, King? That's from Auntie Lynn, okay? What is that? Oopsie daisy. Oh! Wow, look at that! Pajamas, Paw Patrol. Oh, you like Paw Patrol, right? Wow, that's amazing. What the other one? What's the other one? It's a Christmas jumper. What? Christian got a Christmas jumper. You're gonna use it tonight, okay? That's from Auntie Lynn and Uncle Charles. Say thank you. May ganyan siya guys, sinatago talaga niya kahit kunting bagay na may pangalan niya. Tinatago talaga niya. May atching-atching na si Christian. Are you okay? I know. You're gonna wear that tonight, okay? Okay. So next. Oh, bless you. What's next? The small one. This one. Yeah. Or from Santa Claus, the one. The book, yeah. Ayla! Ayla! Oops! Aching-aching ka man, King. Nag-aching-aching allergy to. May asma kasi to. Hindi ko tanapot. You okay? What's that? Wow, nice book from Santa Claus. Oh, bless you. Wow, what is the name? Say One Cozy Christmas. Very good. We're gonna read that tonight, okay? Okay, open your presents. That's from Santa Claus. That's from Santa Claus. Oh, Amazon pa. What do you mean? Yeah, open it then. Open that. I don't know. Silly Santa Claus, isn't it? Oops, watch out, Isla at the back. Yeah. Yeah, mommy help? This one. Very strong. Okay. Silly Santa Claus. Okay, hold it. Hirap naman ito buksan itong gift na to. Santa Claus! Let me see. It's an electric toothbrush. Wow, it's a Spider-Man? Very good. What about Isla? Can you open Isla's gift? It's there at the back. This is Isla. Open. This is from Auntie Lynn and Uncle Charles. That's Isla. Oh, hindi daw itapon itong ano. Grabe si King. Hindi daw niya itapon. Oh, show to Isla then. While you're opening the presents, show to Isla. Open to Isla. That's Isla. That's for Isla. Wow, look at that. Yay, that's so cute. Show to Isla. Isla, look at your presents. Look at your presents, Isla. Very cute, isn't it? Thank you, Auntie. From Isla. And then there's another one. There. There's a clothes. For Isla. That's so cute. Jumper. Pajama. That's so cute, Isla. Thank you, Auntie. Put in there. This is Isla. There. That's it. Put. And then the other one, Isla. No, Christian first. Christian. This is from Auntie Cora.
No, this is Santa.
Ay, yeah, Santa. Santa. Auntie Cora. Ito si Auntie Cora nagbigay yan, guys. Kay Santa Claus lagi daw. Wow.
My favorite.
You got a new boots. Willis?
Wait.
Wow, that's for winter.
Daddy, Santa Claus.
Okay, thank you, Santa Claus. Right, wow, that's nice.
Thank you.
Yeah, okay, can you open it?
How?
That's for Ayla. Show to Ayla. Wow, that's nice dress, Ayla. You show me?
It's all a chocolate.
It's a jumper. That's very beautiful dress. Wow. Very beautiful. I like the color. Just put Ayla's present. That's it. And what's next? Kuya Christian. There's a one there at the bottom. What? That's amazing gift. Yeah, it's a That's Ayla and Christian. That's the last one for Ayla and Christian. Yeah, let me see. That's very nice.
That's the tiny one.
Yeah, that's not yours. I know it. Okay? Right. Look. What is this? Amazing. Is it trousers?
Yeah.
Wow. Very nice. Yeah, look at this. What you gonna say? What you gonna say?
That's each other class.
Oh, wow. Look at this King DKNY. Amazing. Look at your gift. Oh, you got loads of gift. Look at that. So put here your gift. This is Christian's gift. Yan. Where else? Paw Patrol. Toothbrush as well. Christian got lots of toothbrush.
Mommy, what can you do? Yeah. Yes, Mom.
Yeah. And you got book as well. Oh, next is Ayla.
No, Mommy.
Ayla first. You're the last. Ayla.
Okay. What?
What's that?
What's that?
Oh, just the packing thing. Okay, show na to Ayla gift then. Looking, that's dangerous. Natago pa niya. Right, Ayla, look at wow, look at this dummy. And Ayla got a new bottle. Look at that, Ayla.
Yeah,
Wow, shoot to Ayla, shoot to Ayla. Shoot to Ayla her presents. Oh, that's very rough.
Sorry.
Say sorry, Ayla. Okay, put it down na. Ayla, Merry Christmas! Gentle! Nagulat tuloy si Ayla kay Kuya Chris. It's there.
Hey, what you do with it?
Right, are you ready for your last present? Ayusin doon yung boots niya. Lagay pa talaga yun. Ayla, you got a nice present. Look. Look at this, babe. And you got this too.
Mommy, look at this.
Wow, yeah, amazing. So, meron na si Aylang dami. Alright.
Mommy.
This is the last presents for Christian. Is it done? Yeah, here, down here. Here. Oh my God. Sabi niya puring daw. Ah, you're joking. What is that? Wow, show me. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Be gentle with Ayla. Be gentle with sister there. Wow, is that your last present? No, that's not yours.
Yeah.
Right.
Mommy, that's mine.
Is It's not yours.
Tiny.
Right, open. Can you open that? No?
What?
So we're done now.
Give me
That's
that.
all of the presents.
I only want to open it.
Yeah, open it. That's all, guys. Merry Christmas, everybody.
How do you open it?
Ayla.
Yeah, I did it. Look at it.
Ayla.
I did it. Get it out.
Sinira ang kanyang upuan. Christian, don't destroy that.
That was a robot.
Sorry.
You robot.
No, don't destroy that.
You robot. You robot.
Ganda ng gift ni Christian, oh. Yan, train. Sorry. Okay. You like it, Chris?
Yeah.
Amazing, isn't it? Amazing. Yan na, Bibi Ayla. Ayan, oh. Ayla!
Hi, you potty chair.
Sinira niya yung ano niya. Look, she's talking to you. Ayla is talking to you, Christian.
What did she say?
Eating time. Christian's hungry. Ayla is sleeping.
I think let's start with you then, Mr. Hungry.
Hungry beast.
That is big one. That is big one, Daddy.
Hungry beast,
That
Christian.
is big one.
Yeah, it's for cutting. I need a big one to cut.
I want to eat that one. Oh, Dad. Please, Dad. Oh, Dad. I want
Christian is hungry.
I didn't want.
This is yummy.